Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to uh, isolate vocals from any song. So let's go to the browser first. Then you have to write here vocal remover. Then scroll down and you'll find here Easy as Multimedia. Click on this link. Now choose the file from here. Click on choose file or the plus icon. Now choose the song from your computer you want to voice isolate, like this one. Click on OK and it will update the file. Sorry, upload the file first. Hold on. Now it is processing. You can see that now AI is processing. Now you can see that the origin song is here with vocal. This one is vocal and this one is the instrumental, not voice. So after that, if you want to download this, you have to click on download all. Okay, then it will be downloaded in your computer, or it may ask for some charge to be the subscription. But many time it won't ask for this. You can just download all options. This is the vocal, this is the instrumental, and this is the full song. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.